Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa have this is half of a chicken, a free-range chicken here. This is a black feet chicken, okay, 黑脚鸡. It is quite lean and very strong chicken flavor, and with nice yellow skin. So today I'm just going to steam it, and then towards the end I will put in some fried ginger, okay, and ginger oil. So first of all, cut the ginger into big chunks, and then we will give it a bit of marinade before I send it to the steamer. Here I have some spring onion here. This is more for garnishing towards the end. And we'll be using some Shaoxing wine, fried garlic, fried ginger and ginger oil, and also some salt. Right, so first of all, I'm going to give it some fine salt. Next, we're going to give it some Shaoxing wine. Of course, for those who don't take alcohol, just omit the Shaoxing wine. So the purpose of Shaoxing wine is to remove the gaminess of the chicken, should there be any, and also to enhance the flavor. I'm going to give it some filtered water so that later I can have a good amount of chicken stock. You can have few dashes of white pepper right now if you like. I'm going to give it some ginger oil. And let's send this to the steamer. So preheat your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius, or your water is boiling. Then we shall put in the chicken in the middle and steam it for between 15 to 20 minutes. Right, this is coming to close to 20 minutes. Wow. Wow, so fragrant, and the chicken looks really beautiful. Let me show you. Okay, see? Look at how beautiful it is. So I'm going to carefully take out the chicken from my steamer. Wow, a lot of chicken stock right now. And we carefully take it out. So here's the chicken with the chicken stock. Let me give it a bit more fried ginger. Okay. And some spring onion for garnishing. Right, done. So here's my very simple steamed free-range chicken with fried ginger. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.